afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Can we just take a second to appreciate these gorgeous roses that Eric got me for Valentine's Day? Roses are my favorite flower of all time. I think this bunch is just absolutely gorgeous. I even went outside last night and took a photo of what I think is the perfect rose, which is this one right here. Anyway, I love having these roses on display in our house right now. If I can get this one to go back in the vase. Back to opening up the vlog. Hi everybody, how are we doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you all here because I have such a fun weekend planned and I can't wait to bring you guys along for it. My mom is actually flying in for the weekend to visit and spend time with us, so very thankful for that. I just finished getting ready for the day. I do have some new clothes that I'm very excited to wear throughout this weekend that I wanted to show you all. I would really like to thank Quince for sponsoring today's video. I am not even kidding. I have been looking for years for a pair of white jeans and I finally found these really nice ones. The top that I'm wearing is this cotton cardigan. It is so comfortable and I just absolutely love this blue color too. But you all know that because blue is my favorite. I also got this oversized cardigan that I just feel like you can wear with so many different things. The material you can just tell is really sturdy and high quality. Quince is awesome because they are your one-stop destination for high quality essentials across clothing, home goods, and accessories, all at affordable pricing. I am trying really hard to get away from fast fashion, and it's worth it to note that Quince only works with factories that use safe, ethical, and responsible manufacturing practices. I highly recommend that you all check out Quince if you are looking to expand your wardrobe essentials. I will have a QR code on the screen that you can scan, or you can click the link in my video description box below for free shipping on your order and 365-day returns. After I picked up my mom from the airport, we parked my car and wanted to walk around downtown Philly. It was very cold though, so to warm up, we stopped in this really cute coffee shop called Almost Home. We really liked the vibe in there. We got a latte and an absolutely delicious cookies and cream cookie. And then after hanging out at home for a bit, we picked up some of our favorite takeout Italian food from a restaurant called Bacco. I always get the vodka gnocchi. It is so good. And then we watched the movie Eternity before going to bed. You are all wet from the rain, but you are sitting really pretty for me. Here, you can have your treat. Gentle. Good girl. That's very gentle. Good girl. Good morning, everyone. I am putting my shoes on right now and finishing to get ready for the day, but we have a really fun day planned. I'm really hoping that the weather holds out though, because right now it is a bit cold and rainy, but my mom and I do have umbrellas, so worst case scenario, we just bring those with us and hopefully it won't be like downpouring on us. Quickly, the game plan for today, we're gonna start with breakfast and then I wanna go walk around New Hope, come back to the house, pack a bag, and then we are actually heading to West Chester, Pennsylvania tonight and staying in a very unique hotel that I found for us. I am really hungry. It's 10:09 right now. We have breakfast reservations at 10:30, so I'm going to head out the door with my mom and get this fun day started. For breakfast today, I was really excited to take my mom to this place called Terrain Cafe, which has become one of my favorite spots. The inside decor is gorgeous and the food is delectable. We ordered their February special chocolate strawberry latte, which was so tasty. They always bring out these little pots of bread, and today they had this melt in your mouth cinnamon butter that was just bursting with flavor, and I actually ordered the same meal that I've gotten previously because it's just that good, and my mom ordered and really enjoyed her breakfast platter. I also really like going to eat here because connected to the restaurant in the back is a store where you can shop for anything from home goods to little trinkets, plants, soaps, you name it. It's a very fun experience. After eating, we did make our way over to New Hope. The weather was a bit cold and rainy, but we still made the most of it. One thing I love about living in Pennsylvania is all of the unique architecture of the buildings. My mom and I are both huge readers, so of course we had to check out the local bookshop, which, believe it or not, was established in 1967. Right next to Farley's, we stopped into this shop called Steam Soapery. We both thought it was really cool because the store had such unique and fitting names for their custom bars of soap. My mom and I just checked into one of the coolest hotels I seriously have ever been to. Let me show you guys around. Both of us being huge readers and book lovers in general, this is like our dream hotel. This is so cool. The Bookhouse Hotel does have 2 different locations. Tonight we are staying at the one in Westchester. This location does have on-site parking, which was very convenient. The room that we selected to stay in is called the Daisy, which was inspired by the character from F. Scott Fitzgerald's book, The Great Gatsby. The room was spacious with a queen-size bed. We also had a little closet to store our belongings. The bathroom was also so nice. We both loved having the clawfoot tub. The downstairs area of the hotel is great for relaxation, reading of course, as well as mingling with other guests. This hotel specifically was built in the 1860s, and it was originally home to the Darlington family and was known for extravagant 4th of July parties. The home eventually became a bed and breakfast until the new owner acquired it and renovated it into what it is today. For dinner tonight, we went and got Capriotti's, which is one of my favorite places, and I was stoked to see one of the ACOTAR books in the original covers because that is pretty rare. We ate our dinner and now we're kind of starting to get ready for bed. I have my pajamas right here that I'm about to put on, and then we're watching Olympic curling right now, just, you know, while we were eating and whatnot. But you guys, I have to laugh because I'm surrounded by so many books, and I did pick out a few that I thought looked good, but I really just want to read on my Kindle because I just have this series that I'm reading right now. It's the Boys of Tommen series, and I'm on the last published book. There's going to be more, at least I think there's going to be more, and I just like cannot put it down. And I'm such a mood reader where it's like once I start something, especially a series, I just cannot stop and I don't want to read anything else. So I am definitely going to continue that. You guys, I just have to laugh so much too because we were talking to some ladies downstairs in the little sitting area where there's a fireplace, and it's a mom and a daughter who were down there reading, and then some other people were checking in a little bit after us, and it was 2 girlfriends, and it's like me and my mom that are here. So it's like such a girly fun hotel. I was laughing with Eric because I was like, are you sure you don't want to come to the book hotel with us? And he was like, no, it's fine, like you and your mom go and have fun. And yeah, it's totally a mom-daughter girlfriend kind of thing to do. Oh yeah, this was the book that I was thinking of starting. It sounds really interesting. It's called The Final Girl Support Group, and this book sounds like really interesting. It's about women and like I guess teenage girls who have been through like the unthinkable. Like they've survived like serial killers, like think of like Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Saw, yada yada. Like they have just survived like the absolute most horrific and unthinkable things, and they form this therapy group, and one of the girls from the group goes missing, and so they think that someone has like leaked their secret, that, you know, they're meeting together. You know, it says in horror movies, the final girls are the ones left when the credits roll. They made it through the worst night of their lives, but what happens after? So like this book sounds really interesting, and I was thinking of starting it, but I just can't get the other series that I'm reading out of my head. So I'm gonna change into my pajamas, read a little bit, and then probably go to bed, but I will catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. So after we had breakfast, my mom and I did a little bit of a photo shoot in the hotel room today. Might I just add too that this was one of the most comfortable hotel beds I have ever slept on. Seriously, the sheets were so soft. The bed was really comfy. Our stay here was absolutely fabulous. I am not being paid to say this. Like, this hotel stay was not sponsored by any means. Like, we paid our own money to stay here. But anyway, I already cannot wait to come back. This hotel is incredible. Like, I want to bring all of my friends here. We are about to get dressed, pack up our stuff, head out, and go explore downtown Philly. But first, I do think we're gonna go grab some lunch. I really want Qdoba, and there's one that's nearby us. If you are looking for a unique hotel to stay at, highly recommend this one, the Bookhouse. It has been fabulous. For lunch, like I mentioned, we got Qdoba. I always get a steak and rice bowl. It was delicious. After that, we went to explore Philadelphia and some of the historical sites. Thankfully, the weather today held out. There was no rain or snow. It was just a bit chilly. The Reading Terminal Market was near our next hotel, so we had to check that out too. This is a pretty famous indoor farmers market where you can find anything from sweet treats to coffee to groceries and other home good items as well. All right, you guys, so we are actually in a different hotel room now. We're staying, I think, close to the city center of Philadelphia. We're like really close to the terminal market where we went and walked around, but I just finished getting ready. I'm wearing this pretty blue long dress because, and this was actually like the main reason why my mom flew in, is because we are going to see Beauty and the Beast on Broadway tonight. And it just made a lot more sense for us to stay in another hotel because the show gets out late and then my mom's flying out tomorrow morning. And since I live about an hour away, it was just going to be like way too much driving back and forth. But I am very excited to see the show tonight. Beauty and the Beast is my mom's favorite story from childhood, and it's definitely one of my favorites too. So I will definitely let you guys know how it is. The Beauty and the Beast show was incredible. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I love seeing live performances too, so that was really awesome. As a souvenir and as a way to remember the trip, my mom got the both of us these matching t-shirts. I love this one. I think it is so pretty. The morning after the show, I took my mom to the airport for her flight home, and thankfully her flight got out in time before the really bad weather of this next winter storm came through. So originally I was supposed to fly yesterday. No, today. I have my days all confused. Originally, I was supposed to fly today, but I actually traded trips for one that is tomorrow, and it actually works out better for me because it gives an extra day for this weather to roll through. So you guys will just have to stay tuned to see where I'm going and to see if I can escape this blizzard. But I'm just so grateful and so happy that my mom was able to come out and visit, and I'm also so thankful that I like finally got out and I was able to do some things throughout the state of Pennsylvania that I haven't done before. With my job being to travel to other places, sometimes I forget that there is so much beauty even in your own backyard, and that I really want to make an effort to see more of the beautiful places in the state that I live. I'm going to conclude today's video here, so thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you again in all of my future videos. I hope that you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!